Hey guys, Dallas here from Dunn & Watson, just showing you our range of anti-loose fasteners and the optional toggle plate kit that you can be added as well. So I'm just going to talk about the product today and answer any questions you may have. So as you can see, they're available in 3 sizes, being the long thread, the short thread and the weld-on. And the different options here will accommodate the different mounting applications that you may be using it for. Perhaps this is going on a steel ute tray. This might be getting bolted onto the tailgate of your camper trailer. So the different mounting options will work for what you're trying to do. When it comes to operating the fastener, you'll get the fastener, and let's say you had a pilot hole or you had one of our toggle plates. The two would marry through like so, and when you drop it down, it's now in a locked position. To go one stage further for security, if you were to put a padlock in this, it means you would prevent it from opening, which would then be locking that drawer or tailgate or whatever it is shut. So there you have it. That's how the toggle plate kit would work. It comes with a rubber ring here, which would create compression in that install application, keeping it nice and firm and reduce that rattle. Otherwise, you could just simply have a pilot hole and operate the fasteners like that. If you had any other questions though, please give us a call or flick us an email.